的是非常那个东西疼死我了呀，那又是。
If you feel those things about me, why can't you be with me? Be with me. Be with me.
Manchester girl, London girl, thanks for vibing with me, spending time here with me, but I got things to do at home. Nobody wants to be alone. Just let me leave, baby. Yeah, I wanna leave, baby. ACEACEACE, I'm your Jodeci, baby. Now you're down, baby, from the underground, baby. This a uptown, this a west side, best side. It's the fuck the rest side. I'm still going, running, coming. Yeah. There's no fighting, always running something. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me the direction, show me your ride. Act like you want me, yeah. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. I'm still going, running, coming. There's no fighting, always running something. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me the direction, show me your ride. Act like you want me, yeah.
If you feel those things about me, why can't you be with me? Be with me. Be with me.
Manchester girl, London girl, thanks for vibing with me, spending time here with me, but I got things to do at home. Nobody wants to be alone. Just let me leave, baby. Yeah, I wanna leave, baby. ACEACEACE, I'm your Jodeci, baby. Now you're down, baby, from the underground, baby. This a uptown, this a west side, best side. It's the fuck the rest side. I'm still going, running, coming. Yeah. There's no fighting, always running something. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me the direction, show me your ride. Act like you want me, yeah. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it good. Shawty, you got it. I'm still going, running, coming. There's no fighting, always running something. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me the she show me you got. Act like you want, yeah.
If you feel those things about me, why can't you be with me? Be with me. Be with me.
Manchester girl, London girl, thanks for vibing with me, spending time here with me, but I got things to do at home. Nobody wants to be alone. Just let me leave, baby. Yeah, I wanna leave, baby. ACEACEACE, I'm your Jodeci, baby. Now you're down, baby, from the underground, baby. It's a uptown, it's a west side, best side. It's the fuck the rest side. I'm still yeah.
Catch up or whatever. Okay, so the reason why, if there's lag, I just want to let you know I'm streaming from I'm streaming from China. I live and work in China, so in China YouTube is blocked. I need my VPN to get through, and VPNs don't always have the best connection. It's hard enough already to get a working VPN over here. They keep banning every single connection. It's crazy. Okay. Let's get down to it, shall we? Wow, what's going on here? Look at this thing. This is today was an interesting day, actually. Let's go to the 1 minute. Is this a chart I wanted? Okay. Fantastic. This is not the chart I wanted, but okay, fine. All right, just so you guys know, I'm watching this level right here at 9114 right now. This level is the support, and over here I also got this GAN fan. Okay, let's pull out the GAN fan. Let's go to a higher time frame and see where that's coming from. I believe that's an important line. That's a very important GAN fan line. that it's on. Aha! Okay, folks, you see that? Beautiful. Do you see this pivot high from the summer? 13.8, that red line I just showed you is from this pivot high. Okay? So, if it needs to go further, that must hold as support. Isn't that interesting? Okay? It's that line that I just showed you. So, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that I showed you in one of the previous videos is that from this pivot high, the price always got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And what's happening right now is that this thing is becoming support. Okay? This red 2-to-1 is becoming support. Let's come down to a 1 minute view. Hang on. Just the lag. The video quality sucks. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that this red 1-to-1, red 2-to-1, this red 2-to-1 is from the pivot high in the summer. Okay, it's from the pivot high in the summer, and it seems that it has become support. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that this red 2-to-1 is probably going to be tested again, and when it is tested, it will hold as support. And that's one idea I have from this chart. Okay, so 9100, I think it's going to hold. And all day I've been saying, hey guys, stops below 9100, stops below 9100. Okay, so I think it's going to hold. Now the next question is, do I think this is going to come down? I think it is. And the reason why is I'm going to show you right here. Ignore that. I'm not bringing up the chart. I just want to show you this right here. Beautiful. Okay. I think it's going to come down in the next few hours. The reason being is that this is my 1111 chart. It has already topped. Now, if you will remember, today I called this breakout. Okay, I called this breakout in the chat. I called the breakout. Okay, I called the breakout. And it was a crazy breakout. So next time that happens, we're going to ride it until it tops. Okay, so I call that breakout, and I'm proud of myself for that. What's going to happen now is that this is already topped. This could stay here and bounce around, but it's going to come down. Okay, because why? Why is it going to come down? It's going to come down because it's the 1 minute chart. All right, what usually happens after it tops? Let's take a look. You see what happened here? It made this super bullish move up. That is bullish consolidation, bullish consolidation. Did it break the EMA? Did it top and come down? No, it stayed up there. Do you see that? Just a little bit, but it was still above minus 28.77. That was super bullish. And this is the crazy moon run we just had. I'll call it a moon run. But the whole time I was telling everybody, guys, this is crazy consolidation. It's super bullish, okay? So that's what it looks like, okay? what did we just have? We just had something kind of like it just topped there, right? And it came down. It was this is weaker. This is much stronger. We had something that's kind of like in the middle, okay? But what I think is going to happen is going to come down for a bit, and you'll have advanced warning when it comes down, and it's going to hit there, okay, at minus 92.5, okay? So what am I saying? I am saying I'm going to calm my horses, calm the fuck down, stop looking at the chart, and let this piece of shit come down to minus 92.5. And when it comes down to minus 92.5, I will start to look for a long trade, okay? I will start to look for a long trade. And on that long trade, I will easily make a lot with how much less risk? Much less risk. Now, you guys tell me, when you look at the chart right now and you see the price going up, you might feel like, oh my God, I wish I was in on this. Yeah, that's fucking FOMO. That's what it is, right? Would you rather long all the way up here, or would you rather long all the way down here? Do you see that? Now ask yourself, where are most people longing? Well, most people are longing around here, or around here, or do you get what I'm saying? They're longing around there. That's what happens. Most people are longing around there. Have we been doing that? Absolutely not. Okay? Absolutely not. We have not been longing around here. Okay? We longed here today, some of us who missed this. Yeah, that's true. Okay? But we try to avoid this area. Why do we avoid this area? Because this motherfucker is going to come down and fuck everybody and go up and then fuck everybody. Do you see that? That's what happens over here. Once it has hit this top red minus 2.94 line, come down and broken the EMA, pretty much this is a sign that the bears have shown their cards. Okay, this is also a sign that the bulls are giving up or are not really that interested in putting out. Okay, it's done as soon as you see that. Okay, it's a warning. All right, because if this was bullish, what would have happened if this was really bullish is that the EMA, it would have just gone up here to minus 28.77, or the EMA would have created like a gap, a buffer zone between the EMA and the Williams line. There would have been like a buffer zone, okay, like an air sac in between that would be just like pushing this up away from it. Do you see that? So that was my first sign, right? So when I started seeing this weakness over here, I got doubtful. Okay, I thought it would have popped hard, but well, I guess you call that a hard pop. But anyway, what should it look like? Look at that. You see this? Bang. And look at this gap in between the EMA and the Williams line. Do you see that gap? Do you see that space? It's just like pushing it up. All right, and I talked about it live in the video I made during this run. Okay, so that's what we want. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, and then we want it to stay here. That's bullish. Okay, did it break the EMA? Nope. Okay, how about over here? Look here. Look at that gap. You see the gap? You see the gap? It hit. Right, and then bang. Do you see this? It crossed the EMA. That's how you know that, look, the bulls are getting weak. But it did come back up. It did come back up, and it came down. Did it get back up there? No. So what does that tell me right now? That tells me that it's unlikely to get back up here. It's unlikely. Could it happen? Yeah, it could, because this is still kind of pushing up. But yeah, so we're going to wait till it's down there. And now, if you're worried, what I want you to do, if you're worried about missing the bottom, what I want you to do is use the Williams 827. Okay? Use the Williams 827 to catch the bottom. Okay? 827 set to low. Okay? Use the 827 set to low. When the A2, set your alert over here at minus 92.5, okay? When the 827 set to low gives you an alert at minus 92.5, then you wake up and start to look at the charts, okay? Until then, just go take it easy, get some rest, take a break, all right? And let everybody else get fucked, okay? That's what we're gonna do. All right, so again, just go relax. Don't fucking FOMO. All right, if you're in a trade, that's whatever, it's fine. But if you're in a trade, just know that it's already topped. Is it gonna go further? Probably not. Okay, so yeah, are you looking for a short? Like guys, when you're having, let me ask you, like honestly, when you're having like crazy runs, like we're getting right now, we're having 400, 500 point runs. Why do you want to short it? Can you just like chill for like fucking 12, 14 hours and just enjoy your gains? Okay? Now the reason why I do not want to short, I will tell you why I do not want to short. It's pretty straightforward why I don't want to short. It's fucking common sense. Okay? Do I need to show you? Okay, I'll show you, fine. Let's go to maybe the 1 hour. This is why I'm telling you not to short. This here is the pivot low. I don't know if you guys can see it. This here is the pivot low. Do you see that? Okay. And this is the blue 1-to-1 line. Where are we, guys? We are above the blue 1-to-1 line. Do you see that? We are above. Y'all want to short this? You're fucking insane. If you're shorting here, you're fucking nuts. Okay? If you shorted here, anybody who shorted here is done. Do you get what I'm saying? Everybody who got shorted here, everybody who shorted here, right now this thing is going to stack on shorts a little bit. They're going to be done, okay? It's just going to eat them, all right? Now, who the fuck is shorting here? I don't understand why anybody would want to short here. Like, what are your reasons, all right? All right, there we go. I just put it there. Maybe somebody wants to short it. Okay, don't short it. Okay, that's why I'm not shorting. Again, why am I not shorting? It's above the blue 1-to-1. Okay, even if it was above the red 2-to-1, I still wouldn't want to short. Okay, just chill. We're gonna have like $400, $500 moves, $1,000 moves. Why do you guys want to short? Right? Why? I don't get it. Is it just cool to short? Because other people talk about shorting, so you want to short, don't do it. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. We talked about what we're looking for, okay? You guys know the long signal, okay? Just in case you don't know it, you guys know it, okay? And now let's get to the good shit. This is the good shit right here, okay? What's this telling me? Okay, you see this chart? I posted this in the psychiatric center chat. Now this motherfucker. Do you see what I did before I did this crazy moon run? It went right here. Ding. And then it went down. Bang. It took out everybody from here to here. Everybody who tried to long this shit. Do you understand that? It took out all the stops. Okay? It took out all the stops. Okay? Where are we right now, guys? Do you want to know something cool? Look at the level, minus 28.99. Okay, and minus 69.09. Where are we right now? Let's go see. Oh, fuck this thing. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, look where we are! Ha! Ding! Where is that? Minus 28.99. Hey! That was our fake move up. I think that's it. And it was a pretty weak fake move. They're not even putting that much effort. They're saving the gas. You see, it didn't even hit there yet. Maybe it'll go up. I don't know. But it seems like they're not bringing the effort. They're not really trying to push it to its limits. You see what that tells me because they didn't touch that? It's not that it's weak. It just tells me that they're not trying, that the room is there, but they're purposely trying not to go there. Do you see that? That's how I interpret it. I don't think this is weak. I just see it as them not trying to go there. Okay? So what are we looking for? We're looking for a bounce back to around here. Okay? That might not happen. Okay? But we're looking for a rejection. So anyway, I'm going to put an alert over here. Where the fuck is it? Bang. Okay? Key thing. Now, let me tell you guys something. Why do I use this one here, the 1,999 low? I put it for low because it was kind of trying to measure the bottom of when it would bounce. Remember that, right? You guys remember that? Yeah, I was okay, but I use the open, high, low, close. Okay, defaultly. Now, there's no explanation for this. I'm not putting it in Bill Gates. It's still something I'm working on. All right. Now, here's what you do with this. This acts, everything here acts as a level. To be honest, when this happened here, I knew that the move up was over. Okay, I could have shorted that shit. Okay, look at that. I could have shorted that, like the break over here. I could have shorted that right around here. That around here, 9,500, 9,500 to. Yeah, shorting is not profitable. You see, they would have fucking chopped it. I'm not shorting shit, but all right. Let me tell you why this is important. This will tell you the zones for different time frames. This 1,999 open, low, close works very well to find support and resistances. Okay, so you start with the smaller time frames and you move into the larger time frames. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, remember I'm calling for 13K next. Okay, on the 1 hour chart. So all you have to do is take a look here. This is bottom. This is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. Okay, now everything here is relative. So at minus 5833, what's the resistance? Right here, September 3rd to September 6th, right? What's the resistance there? September 3rd to September 6th. September 3rd, right here. Looking at 10,445 to 10,933. That's the resistance. Do you get what I'm saying? Right? That's how I know this is going to 10,500 or 11K next. Do you see it? It's going to get hit right here. Okay? It's going to get hit right there. And then it's going to do a little retrace and trap everybody. And then it's going to go to the next level. Isn't that genius? It's genius, okay? It's fucking genius. And it's so easy. Holy shit. You know what, guys? I've made my life so much easier. Like, so much easier. And that's how I got these levels here. You see that? That's how I got these levels here. Just by doing that. Okay? So right now, yeah, let everybody else play this shit. We're going to chill. And let the play come to us, okay? All right? Yeah, let the play come to us. And I talked about this earlier today. There's a... Where is that fucker? Ah, this is Bitstep. No wonder I can't find it. Okay, that's why. All right, let's go here. Now I'm going to show you guys something really cool that I use. Just kind of like as a compass, okay? Not exactly, but just as a compass, okay? So those of you who were in the chat today, earlier today, knew what I was talking about. So today there was a gap here. There still is. There's a gap over here at 9,172. Okay? And there was also a gap over here at 9,355. So one thing I've observed on the 1 minute chart is that these gaps tend to get filled. Okay? They do get filled. So basically what happened was we were sitting, the price was sitting around here, right? And well, no, the price it was over here actually. And then what happened is I thought it was going to fall off the fan. You see that? I posted that earlier. So I thought it was going to fall off the fan and go up. But instead what happened is it came down and then it gapped up. And then I was like, oh shit, there's another gap. But there was also a gap up here. So I wanted it to fall off the fan, but it started continuing up. So at the time that it started continuing up, I pretty much believed that it would go to this gap area. And it did go to the gap area. Now, if you guys remember, I entered the long trade a little bit late because I woke up late because the last 2 days are crazy, needed my sleep. So pretty much I decided, okay, I'm ahead of time. When this up move started, I said, okay, this gap area is probably a good area to close my long. And then I could re-enter down here. Do you see that? Right? So pretty much because of that, I did close my long trade over here. I took a little bit of money and I wanted to re-enter down here at 9,160, 9,170. That's where I wanted to re-enter. But then this fucking crazy shit happened, okay? See this crazy shit? It happened, okay? Now, yeah, I closed my long trade there and I missed out on this profit. But I wasn't expecting this. It wasn't in my plan. Do you get what I'm saying? Right? Why? Because what I was doing, the action that I was taking in the market was just based on this gap and this gap. Okay? I was not trying to stay in a trade above the gap. Okay? I thought it would have come down. But now, if there was no gap, then what would I have done? Well, if there was no gap and I was in this long trade, then what I would have done is I would have used the Williams 578, okay? I would have used the Williams 578 on high. And had an alert up here at minus 2.94. Do you see that? That would have told me the top was in. Do you get what I'm saying? That would have told me the top was in. Now, where is that fucker? Do you see that? It would have told me the top is in. All right? That's it. Very clear. Now, that it would have told me the top is in and to get out. Do you see it? This is all bullish consolidation on the 578 top. Okay? Now, before the 578 top can do a crazy run, I believe it also needs to reset. Guys, so right now, yeah, let's just leave it at that. I use a 578 high to find tops, okay? And it calls the tops pretty fucking nicely. So guys, once the 578 has called the top and gone away from this red line, you need to be out of your lungs, okay? That's it. All right, I can't make it easier than that. So let's get back to the 1111 and close. Yes, I do say the 1111 is king because it is king, okay? Guys, there's no trade, okay? There's no trade until this comes down and bottoms. There's simply no trade, okay? So if you want to short or do whatever else you want, It's at your own risk. It's your own money. All right. Now let's just take a peek at the 6 minute. What's the 6 minute doing? The 6 minute is still bullish. This is all bullish. Why? It's still rising up. The EMA is still rising up. Okay, and yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's still pointing up. This is not a short. This is not something you want to short. Okay. Now, what's going to happen? Yeah, it could come down a bit, but the EMA will keep pushing it up. So it's the 1 minute that's going to drive this, okay? It's the 1 minute that's going to drive the 6 minute. Right now, this is hard as fuck. There's no point to even look at it. Okay, so first of all, if there are any questions, okay? If there are any questions, please write your questions in the Discord chat. If you have questions, please write them in the Discord chat. Okay, I guess there are no questions on that. Questions? Okay, I'll wait like a minute to see if anybody has any questions. Bang. Okay, since there are no questions, guys, let's get, if you're still watching, let me just get into a little bit of risk management. All right, now risk management, let me tell you guys something, all right? Let's do something real crazy. Let's do something crazy, guys, okay? Okay, let's do something real crazy. All right, now let me ask you a question. If you have $1,000 today in your trading account, okay? If you have $1,000 in your trading account, is that a lot? What can you do with that? Well, let me tell you what you can do with that. You can do a lot with that, okay? It is a lot, okay? $1,000 in your trading account is a lot. All right, now, if you, I'm going to post this website in the chat, okay? Now, if you have $1,000 today and you're making 20% every trade, imagine that. Can we get 20% on our trades? Fuck yeah, we can, okay? And now how many trades do we need? Let's say we take 20 trades, okay? And you go back in full account, okay? Every trade. So what does that mean? 20% ROE, 20 trades instead of days, okay? How much are you gonna have after the 20 trades? All right? You're gonna have fucking 40 G's, $40,000, all right? Okay, $40,000, okay? Okay? $40,000. $40,000 per trade. All right. Number of, hold on, I'm just going to post this. Shit. Okay, so what am I trying to tell you guys? I'm trying to tell you that basically, oh shit, can you guys see my screen? Yeah, so pretty much if you have $1,000, after 20 trades, you could be at $40,000. You don't believe me, do you? Right? Watch, that is what we're gonna do, okay? That is what we're gonna do. This is what we are going to do here in the next 1 to 2 weeks. 20 trades. Let's go. All right. So pretty much now with the swings getting so crazy, you're having 500-point moves. So what does that mean? With 500-point moves, okay, you do not want to just long or short at any time. All right. With 500-point moves, you do not want to FOMO. Cut out your FOMO. All right. Do not want to long up here. Okay. And shorts, just do not short. Okay. Right now, let's just protect our money. Don't short. Why? That'll reduce the number of errors you make. It'll reduce your risk. Okay. And all we're going to do is we're going to long. Okay. I'm going to long. Okay. That's it. I'm not shorting. Period. Done. All right, why? There's 400, 500-point moves. There's no reason to short. Just wait for the trade you want. Okay, so in 20 trades, we're going to become so fucking rich. All right, that's what we're going to do. And now, guys, the thing is that if you're trading with $100 or $200, that's cool. But if you're trading with $100 or $200, please make sure that you catch every long trade that's covered by the group, in the group. Okay, I need you to catch every long trade. Why? Because you need to grow that $100 or $200 into $1,000 real quick. But do not enter a trade with crazy leverage if you're going to use your full balance. If you guys are using your full account balance on every trade, do not do more than 25x. Okay? Because it's just going to take one swing to go bing and wipe you out. Okay, so I want you guys to stay in the game. All right, I want you to stay in the game. So limit your leverage to 25x. Okay, that's it. Limit it to 25x. Don't do more than 25x. Okay, now here's the thing: if you got $2,000 or $3,000 in your margin, $5,000 in your margin, you do not need more than 5x. Okay. Promo Crypto said put $5,000 in there. All right, let's go put $5,000 in there. All right, 5,000. Hold the fuck up. All right, 5,000. 5,000. All right, 20%, 20 trades, 100%. Okay, let's calculate that. All right, $191,000. All right, very good. All right, $191,000. Okay. What settings should we use in that calculator if we say you 1K? Okay, initial purchase. Oh my God, I can't believe I gotta explain that. Is your account amount or amount you start with. Okay, daily interest per trade, daily reinvest 100% if you invest full amount each trade, principal. Okay, and then All right, so we're gonna get it. We're gonna make some big money. All right, in the next 2-3 weeks. That's it. This is bull run. This is how we're gonna, like, guys. We've narrowed down how to play the bull run and shit. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, it's crazy. I want you guys all to get this calculator and set goals for yourself and manage your risk. Okay, this is not luck. It's not luck. It's gonna be complete planning. Okay, we're gonna plan this shit and run it the nice way, okay? And guys, that's all we're gonna do, okay? That's all I got for you guys today. Any more questions? Any more questions? Okay, that's it. Thank you, everybody. Okay, stay safe. So once again, I'm waiting for the next long trade on the 1 minute. I'm waiting for the 1 minute to bottom. I'm waiting for the 1 minute 827 to bottom. All right, thank you for being here. And guys, I don't think I'm gonna run the group forever. Once I make my target amount that I want to make,